So my name is Michelle. I come from Canada. I am a mother of 4 children and I am here because I have stage 4 breast cancer. And in Canada, they told me that they could do nothing for me other than they could try and give me a little bit of radiation to try and shrink things, but otherwise I was considered palliative. So 5 years ago, I was first diagnosed with breast cancer and I received a mastectomy for that, but I declined all chemotherapy and radiation in Canada because I did not like how toxic the treatments were there, and I thought I need a bit of energy for these children as well. So I worked together with a wonderful naturopathic doctor called Dr. Turner. After 3 years, in 2016, there was a recurrence of the cancer. I had surgery to remove that cancer again, but also once again declined any chemotherapy and radiation from Canada. And then in 2017, I had started to show symptoms of, I was losing feeling in my fingers here in this hand, and further investigation in November they found that I had a tumor recurrence growing around the brachial plexus, so the nerve bundle here, up here. So then that was when I was told in Canada that there really was nothing I could do, that was stage 4 cancer, and yeah, they didn't give me about a year to 2 years to live. I have had no chemotherapy, no Herceptin, no prior chemotherapy, and no radiation. So I found about Modern Cancer Hospital Guangzhou, first of all through Dr. Turner. He also had a patient come here and to China for treatment, and she had very good success. So we looked into it and here we are. A hospital here in China was an option, and because the very limited side effects and the success from treatments and reading up on the patient stories on the blog and Facebook, and it all made sense to come here because they're very concerned about quality of life, and their treatments are very targeted. So the first time I arrived in Guangzhou at the Modern Cancer Hospital here, I was in a lot of pain, and I fairly quickly after the very first treatment those pain levels went down. The treatments were very effective, very fast. At home I could hardly get off the couch because I was in so much pain. I laid down a lot. Yeah, I couldn't look after my family very good. On arrival here, based on the scans, I have 3 main tumors. I've received 3 rounds of interventional therapy, and I have had seed implantation done into 2 of the tumors. All 3 tumors have nicely shrunk, so things are working. The staff here at Modern Cancer Hospital Guangzhou is the most amazing staff ever. Dr. Pan is a very, very caring doctor, and if there's anything that I cannot understand, because I do not speak Mandarin Chinese at all other than ni hao, the interpreters are always right there and ready. They are fantastic. So if you cannot speak Chinese language, do not let that stop you from coming. They will help you here. So for the many other cancer patients out there, and there are lots of them, if you're looking for treatment that has little to no side effects, that enhances your quality of life, that has success, Guangzhou is, this Modern Cancer Hospital here is the place to come. It offers way more mainstream medicine, and they're all about quality of life, and I would strongly encourage you to look into it. It's very worthwhile. I should also say that while we've been here a month, we have met a lot of people here with a lot of testimonies, success testimonies, everything from like lung, breast, colon, esophagus, and such nice people with good stories. There is hope and encouragement in Modern Cancer Hospital Guangzhou.